All right, guys, check this one out. You're looking at a custom fitted teeth grill set we just had done for a customer. Now this here is a 6 top, 6 bottom. It is the permanent cut, perm cuts. You can see the deep lines in between each tooth there. That's because it's cut all the way through on the front to give it that nice defined look. Check that out. Now you can get this on our website, blingcartel.com. Choose the perm cut option or check the link in the description, and you'll get a beautiful set of grills, or a top or a bottom. That's up to you. All right, I'll show you the back side. Here's the back side. As you can see, it's not cut on the back, so it's solid on the back, but it is cut in the front, the permanent cut. All right, check it out, guys. blingcartel.com. These are gold plated, over 925 silver. Beautiful grill set, guys. Check us out, blingcartel.com. Thanks for watching, and as always, y'all have a good one.